respect Nigerians. So you see, you might think that we are broke, but we don't buy our phones on credit. We buy once. The people in the US that are buying all these phones, they are using credit system and financing. We don't have that well in Nigeria.
Oga, we are broke. No get money. Shishi. Did you see that report that says that less than 5% of Nigerians earn more than 100,000 naira a month?
Have you seen the report that says a large number of people in the UK don't have more than £500 in their account?
£500 in their account.
Yeah.
Do you know? Do you how much is in your account? But they're not you. You're privileged.
£1,000 is about
2 million. 2 million.
1,000
million.
2
Sorry,
points.
2 million.
something
2 million.
yeah.
That's no money now.
I'm not doing for this one though.
But that's not money now.
If you see 5 cipher billing,
No, look at his hair. It's expensive. What?
Believable.
don't buy
Bill
them.
cipher.
But yeah, you're
I'm
right.
the most broke person in this place. They are chairman. Don't buy them. They have money.
He's wearing designer glasses, but it's okay.
but yeah, it's.
But you're right. The thing is, we pay for our smartphones cash and carry.
Yeah.
But there is also the pay later, the credit system of buying phone and paying later, right?
Do they really work?
Oh, it
the
works.
thing.
A large number of Nigerians are using it.
So there is the Nigerians are also
And
funny.
it's very accessible.
There's the funny Nigerians that
Oh,
want
I
to.
just remembered something.
I
Go
had
ahead.
somebody that messaged me that they are using a phone. How do I remove this admin lock from the phone?
Yeah.
It was later I discovered that they bought it with one of these credit systems. They don't want to pay.
They've not paid for the months.
People should
That's terrible.
stop bad behavior. Don't buy phone on credit.
But I
system and
love
sell it.
that, especially for Techno. I don't know about other smartphone companies in Nigeria. Techno, you can buy the latest smartphone, interest free and all that.
Yeah, using
Even bank cannot give you that.
easy buy, right?
Yeah, easy buy.
So, and I think the easy buy.
See this hunter.
The way you want.
I wanted the show was recorded.
You work out with 3 cameras.
So I think easy buy is only for Techno phones
Yeah.
and Infinix phones. I don't know. Is it for Airtel as well?
I'm sure it's for
traditional phones.
Too.
So I know Samsung has Sentinel services, but the day I attempted that Sentinel service, I just gave up and bought my phone.
They wanted my
The
kidney.
things that they were asking for, the process was just.
And I think
lengthy.
for that one, you need to you need to be employed.
When I wanted to buy my Fold 4,
This was S.
But they are still
Why
using
waiting for Fold 7? That's like
but they are
2
still
years ago
using
now.
Sentinel. They are still using Sentinel. The same
But maybe
service.
the process will be less tedious now. Then,
So
then I'm not sure they were BBN,
need to be employed.
NIN and the rest.
So another
All
one
of them, you have to be employed. What are you unemployed buying food for?
See Nigeria.
So if I'm not employed, I cannot buy phone.
you
never chop your
are you
phone.
employed like this?
I'm employed by Jesus.
Cipher.
We are all unemployed. Don't make us carry mic for you.
Don't you know self-employed people are not the best for loan
Exactly. So like most of these
or
credit
financing
systems don't
payment?
favor
Anything. They don't care
Yeah.
self-employed. It's short for you today if you don't short.
Do you know that
But when there's a salary,
there are
it's short.
companies that don't pay regularly? So what are we talking? Is it not the same thing?
If you are working for a company that don't pay them regularly,
them
you're
now.
unemployed. Leave.
So, but jokes apart, right? I believe there are more credit systems in Nigeria. It's just that I don't know how they are doing it. Easy Buy is the most popular, and it's mostly popular because the brand, as they release their phone, they are fronting. You can use Easy Buy to get it because they know that the phone will cost.
So for people that sell phones, they really don't like Easy Buy because of their commission. They will need to wait for you to complete your payment before they get their commission.
Oh, boy.
There's this new one TD Africa launched, Just Own It, JOI, and I think they have. When I saw it, there are different
JOI.
options. JOI, the platform is called JOI, Just
new.
Own It. It's new.
Okay.
But now, one thing I just liked about the platform is, when you go to a platform and you see Easy Buy, that's the only option there. So they have like different options that you can choose from. There's there's the JOI owned, and there are like 2 or 3 other financing services.
Okay.
But I mean, you guys are watching. What is your experience with buying with all these pay later systems? And why are Nigerian banks not really even offering these
Those kinda, yeah.
things? Why are why are these brands, Samsung, Techno, Infinix, not partnering with network providers the way they have it in the US? Because that's how it is in the US. You partner with Verizon and the rest, and you use financing to pay it. Like, imagine partnering with MTN and
I don't think they have the facilities. For example,
They have the facilities. We are not
they don't-
trustworthy.
No, it's not even
I
that.
think that's a
Come on.
problem.
How many people? Do you know how many people they buy locked phone? But
Did you hear that?
Bad influence.
you know how many they buy locked phone? You people abroad are worse. Go on Reddit, you see people. How can I unlock my Verizon phone? How can I?
Sorry,
They are
your
worse.
Samsung. The one you use.
Anyways, as I was saying. Now, why I say I don't think they have the infrastructure. So, out of all the network companies we have in this country, the only one that have the funds is MTN.
I think Airtel too now.
They don't get money. MTN is there.
But I mean, Balo did a video. Airtel is number 2 on the.
You can't compare. That's why 5G reach MTN.
So I
first.
still think it boils down to the brands that are willing to partner.
See, you people are thieves. Nigerian thieves.
I think we're not trustworthy.
It's not about that. It's not about that.
No,
so
it is.
So wait. Let me just explain. So for example,
Haven't you
now,
seen people on somebody was it people who borrow money then they'll post the person's picture only
half of these what do you call it? Half of these countries that you see that they actually do.
So the thing is
payment
this.
plans.
Yeah.
They can catch you
It's not about
in
that.
Nigeria. As you go to your village, that's the end.
It's not about that. So half of these countries you see stuff like that. They are insurance systems.
Yeah.
See, insurance get insurance.
So you want to run down insurance companies.
No, that's what I'm trying to tell you now. So insurance get insurance. So for example, now let's say there's let's use Techno for example. Now.
Yeah.
So if Techno works with MTN now, they say, oh, be buying data for 2 years, you pay off your phone.
Yeah.
Now if you run, Techno will reach out to the insurance company. Now insurance company will be like, no, well, I will pay for the claim.
Yeah.
Do you get? Now when the insurance company pays for the claim, insurance will now sell that debt to another insurance company.
Yeah.
Now those insurance companies, they're like headhunters. If you like, you did the end of this world. They will go find
But
you.
we are too plenty in Nigeria.
So at the same time now, even let's say they can't find you, they can write it off as
Bad
do you
debt.
understand? Bad debt. It's just go. Then the country still gives them loan to cover up certain things. Do you get?
So you mean the system is bad here? It can't
Our
work.
system is bad. They don't
Yeah.
send your papa. They rather tax you and you go back to your country than for them to support
Even
you.
at that, where we have Nigerians actively looking for the loans that they can borrow and not pay.
Yeah.
Imagine I was talking about using your line so that it will stay active. People are in the comments, just borrow on the line.
Oh.
Borrow on the line and they won't sell it.
I didn't see that coming.
Like, it's something to use it actively. Borrow on the line.
no,
Borrow
no,
like
no,
10,000.
Nigerians are
So
clever.
if you borrow, they will not
Wait,
sell the line.
yeah, so
They have to pay off now.
I feel, who do you think is more profitable to the network provider? You that is owing them maybe 2,000, or the person that will buy it and start spending on it?
That one said
They will
that.
still sell it. Don't worry, it will shock you. But
said
look at the
borrow.
mentality.
He said
Just
borrow.
borrow it.
But I didn't think
I'm
about that.
speechless.
So, but I mean, we need good credit system, and I think we should go try some of them. Like,
Okay, sorry for cutting you off. India, they have payment. Are we more mad? Well, India's mad past us now.
their government might reach their level too now.
India, you go buy data, pay for phone. South
Yeah.
Africans too, are they better than us?
Let's say India, they have tap to pay. We don't have tap to pay.
I even wonder why we don't have these things here. What's
we
the
have,
problem?
But I mean,
we have the hardware. We don't have.
No, yeah, that's what I'm
Thief,
saying. Why
thief.
don't we
You
enable
somebody
those
be carrying POS and be
Why?
doing like this.
Bro, India was passwords.
but I believe there are credit systems in Nigeria. They are just not very popular. I mean, there are people that might have tried some of them. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe we will see some people sharing their experience in the comments. But if you want to go and try them out now, which one should we go and try personally as influencers? I want to review it. For
Funny enough,
others.
we need to try all of them and give our opinion about the service.
But let them know in the let them let us know in the comments.
Yeah,
I
which
want to
ones
know.
you've seen and
So, okay,
List in the
Credit
comments.
Direct will try 'em. This
So
one
what's,
is one will try
there's
'em.
going to be a follow-up video after
yeah,
we've
after
tested.
we've tested. I mean, most of the tests are going to be based on your recommendations. Which
Yeah.
one?
Let's even find out.
And we will not
what's the
filter.
limit
We will
on
not
the kind of
filter
phone we
anything.
can buy?
Yeah,
Anyone that shows shege, you will see the shege.
We'll let
too.
you know.
Yeah. All
Let's know
right.
whether we can buy like 1 million naira phone.
Will anyone give you that kind of thing at
It's
first?
possible.
And that we need to know now whether
It's possible.
whether it's 200, 150k, 300.
Like the
400.
Samsung
again,
Sentinel
another thing,
service was
look-
allowed
look-
for the
look-
phone.
look at that
but the
Samsung
process
Sentinel
was too
service.
much. The process was too much. Me, I
The-
was ready, but
The phone, when it comes out, they don't allow you to buy on credit. You have to wait for like 3 months. Then
Yeah, they don't allow you instantly.
brand new
You can't
phone, yeah.
get it immediately.
All they want is pre-order.
They want everybody to pre-order.
Hey.
Girl, I'll give you air.
Meanwhile, and another thing, I mean, is it off topic? Why, like brands, like what am I even saying? Why would Samsung do trading everywhere, but Nigeria, they see trading before the trading they come?
Okay, so this part is going to be cut, but let me just still talk. Now, Samsung.
They cut anything.
What's the point? What's the point of you talking?
This one,
Don't talk then.
No. This is just a conversation.
Do you know that when I wanted to trade in my S23 Ultra for the S24 Ultra, they were valuing my S23 Ultra for like 450,000 naira.